welcome again to my weekly recipe videos. Every week I'd like to share keto-friendly recipes that I've come across. And yes, I did choose this recipe because it's fun to say keto curry. Cleverly crafted keto curry is cool to consume. Let me go ahead and show you what's all in it. Okay, and here's all what's in it. Starting off with 1 small onion. I think that counts as a small onion. 1 green chili, 1 inch knob of ginger, 3 cloves of garlic. I'll get those minced up. Half a cup of cilantro, and I'll get those chopped up. 3 tablespoons of ghee. 2 teaspoons of turmeric. 1.5 teaspoons of cumin. 1 teaspoon of ground coriander. 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. 2 pounds of chicken thighs. 1 cup of heavy cream, and a teaspoon of salt. I'm using seasoned salt. That's why it's orange. Partly because that's the salt I have, and partly because it shows up better on the white plate. I've got everything chopped up now, so we'll go ahead and the first step is to add it to a food processor. But since I'm poor and cheap, I had to get a smaller processor. So I'm just going to have to do that in batches. Alright, got the first batch in the food processor here. Might be a little over full, but we'll work with it. I gotta say, I like the smell of cutting up the ginger. But anyway, we'll just the recipe said to add a bit of oil to the pan processor if it's having problems. But this one seems to be going pretty good. First batch, we'll go ahead and just put that in the pan. Spill everywhere. That's a good step. That's an important step. All right, here's the second batch. Might have overfilled it a bit for that one. Okay, and there's the second batch done. Just I say that smells really good. Okay, I'll just add that to the saucepan. I'll scrape it out with a spatula here in a moment. And then I got it out all scraped into the pan there. Now I'll add the 3 tablespoons of ghee, but it's kind of a hard stuff to... I added the ghee, so now I'll go ahead and put it on a medium heat and let that gently saute for 10 minutes. Okay, it's been going for about 10 minutes now. So we'll go ahead and now add the rest, the turmeric, cumin, and coriander. And get that mixed up and let that go for another 5 minutes. So once it gets mixed up. Alright, it's been going for about 5 minutes now, so we'll go ahead and add in the tomato paste. Add in the tomato paste and mix it up. And let that cook for another 2 minutes after getting that mixed up. It's been going for a couple minutes now, so now we'll go ahead and add in the chicken. And get that mixed in, stirred in. Now that I got those mixed up, now I'm going to let that cook on medium for 10 minutes. Okay, it's been going for about 10 minutes now, so we'll go ahead and now add the cream. And the salt. And I'll get that mixed up. Okay, got the cream and salt mixed in. I turned the heat down, and I'll let that simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. Right. And there's the final product. The recipe says it serves 10, but last time I made it, the 10 servings wasn't very much. So I'm just going to make it, serve it out to 5 bowls here. Well, 4 bowls in a lunchbox. But anyway, but yeah, that's the final product. Last time I made it, it turned out pretty good, and it still smells really good. I'm going to go ahead and leave it there because I'm late for work. So, thanks for watching. Like, favorite, subscribe, and all that good stuff, and have a nice day.